All right, let's talk about why evidence and elaboration sentence sets are important. The information that we gathered in this evidence organizer is useful for writing because it shows what we learned from reading the circulatory story. So I'm going to create a group of sentences for the first row of information about the red blood cell using information in my evidence organizer. This is called an evidence elaboration sentence set. I remember that my notes are short phrases and not sentences. So I need to add some words to create complete thoughts. That way, when someone reads my writing, it will flow together and make sense. I start my sentences with the information in the left-hand side and move across the rows, turning my notes into sentences. I need to add words so my sentences flow smoothly. So here I have done that. A red blood cell is called an erythrocyte. The author tries to help us understand the shape of the erythrocyte and how it floats through the bloodstream. Okay, so now you're going to go back to the slide, and it's your turn to write an elaboration sentence set, an evidence elaboration sentence set. So you're going to go ahead and write the one that we just did, and then later on in lesson 11, you're going to complete it. You will put the title, you'll give it your own title, you will do a picture of it, and then you will write your evidence elaboration sentence set. So go ahead and go do that now.